This video will go over what individual permissions allow users to do in FUDSChem. For information on which permissions are needed for users with specific roles, please refer to our FUDSChem Permissions Overview video, linked in the description. To check which permissions you have, you can go to the team directory. It is located under Quick Links, Team Directory. Let's go there now. Everyone who has access to the district database will be listed here. For this example, everyone listed has access to the training database. In order to get a FUDSChem login, users will provide their name, job title, contact information, and office address, which is then listed on this page. If your contact information changes, or if you retire or change jobs, please send an email to fuds.support@synectics.net to request that your information be updated in the team directory. The permissions of any user can be viewed by clicking on the permissions hyperlink to the right of their name. The team directory allows you to sort by a variety of options by clicking on the Sort By dropdown. By default, the directory sorts by first name. The team directory also allows you to filter on a specific permission. This filter gives us a complete list of the available permissions, which we will go over now. We will discuss the permissions that are available to users and skip internal permissions that do not apply. Project-specific permissions, such as A00XY0001 users, allow you to access the project associated with that property number. Chem review users can screen or approve SDG qualifiers under Tools, Data Sample Qualification, and access Tools, Data Review Checklist. For more information on using these tools, please refer to our validation tutorial data sample qualification video, linked in the description. ChemField review user permissions allow you to approve enter chain of custody field data. ChemField submission user permissions allow you to submit chain of custody field data, ChemField data type, under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our field sampling ChemField entry tutorial video linked in the description. ChemLab review user permissions allow you to approve lab data. For more information, please refer to our chemistry data approval tutorial video linked in the description. ChemLab submission user permissions allow you to submit this chemistry data type under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Laboratory SED submission tutorial video, linked in the description. ChemVal review user permissions allow you to edit, apply qualifiers, reflag SED files, finalize validation qualifiers, and unapprove SDG qualifiers under Tools, Data Sample Qualification. For more information on using these tools, please refer to our validation tutorial data sample qualification video, linked in the description. ChemVal submission user permissions allow you to access the validation tools under Tools, Data Sample Qualification, and Data Review Checklist. EChem Manager permissions allow you to unapprove a data usability assessment, DUA, and create an EChed removal file, provided you also have manager permissions. You can also see and edit the MRSPP dropdown, which will be visible for MRSPP projects in the DUA interface. For more information, please refer to our Data Usability Assessment video, linked in the description. EChem user permissions allow you to approve a DUA and create an EChed file, provided you also have Chem review user permissions. They also allow you to see and edit the MRSPP dropdown in the DUA interface. EMI Submission User permissions allow you to submit this environmental measurement data under Tools Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Loading Environmental Measurements tutorial videos, linked in the description. General user permissions allow you to log in, access most interfaces, and access reports. GWD Submission User permissions allow you to submit groundwater level data under Tools Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our groundwater level entry tutorial video, linked in the description. Laboratory Manager permissions allow the user to acknowledge an EQAP. For more information, please refer to our EQAP Lab Acknowledgement tutorial video, linked in the description. LDI Submission User permissions allow you to submit location data under Tools Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Loading Locations tutorial videos, linked in the description. Library Review User permissions allow you to approve files into the project library under Tools, Library File Submission. Library Submission User permissions allows you to load files to the project library under Tools, Library File Submission. For more information, please refer to our Library Submission tutorial video, linked in the description. LTD Submission User permissions allow you to submit lithology data under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our lithology entry tutorial video, linked in the description. Manager permissions allow you to unapprove data under Tools, Data Approval, and see library files assigned to other reviewers. These permissions also allow you to approve data usability assessments, DUA. Because of security considerations, these permissions are assigned to a very limited number of users. Project Delivery Team Member permissions allow you to access the DUA tool and complete the DUA up through certification. For more information, please refer to our Data Usability Assessment video, linked in the description. Review User permissions allow you to approve data under Tools, Data Approval. For more information, please refer to our Government Personnel Tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Note that to approve chemistry data under Tools, Data, Sample Qualification, the user needs ChemLab Review and ChemVal Review permissions, or Manager permissions. Setup Field Tracking User permissions allow you to access only the Field Tracking tab in Event Management. For more information, please refer to our Event Management tutorial video, linked in the description. Setup Manager permissions allow you to unapprove EQAPs under Tools, Data, EQAP Setup. Setup Review User permissions allow you to approve or uncertify EQAPs under Tools, Data, EQAP Setup. Setup User permissions allow you to create and certify EQAPs under Tools, Data, EQAP Setup, and access Event Management under Tools, Data, Event Management. For more information, please refer to our EQAP tutorial playlist and our Event Management tutorial video, linked in the description. SLX Submission User permissions allow the user to submit site data under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Location Site XREF tutorial video, linked in the description. WCI Submission User permissions allow you to submit well completion information under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our well completion information entry tutorial video, linked in the description. WINT Submission User Permissions allow you to submit well construction interval data under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Well Construction Intervals Entry tutorial video, linked in the description. WMI Submission User Permissions allow you to submit well maintenance data under Tools, Data Submission. For more information, please refer to our Well Maintenance Info Entry tutorial video, linked in the description. ZDI Submission User Permissions allow you to submit zone information under Tools, Data Submission. This data type is not typically used for FUDS projects. ZLX Submission User Permissions allow you to submit zone site cross-reference information under Tools, Data Submission. This data type is not typically used for FUDS projects. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.